Hello everyone, in this video, I am going to show you an amazing liquid fertilizer that can make your flowering plants more blooming and your vegetable plants more productive. So let's start to our topic. The dried peels of onion contains many type of micro and macronutrients that helps the plant to grow more fastly. And we can also use these peels in our plants. The liquid fertilizer that we are going to make is a very powerful fertilizer that enforce the plant to produce more and more flowers. You can use this homemade organic fertilizer on any type of plant, but this liquid fertilizer is very much effective for the flowering plants. This liquid fertilizer also helps the plant to convert its flowers into big size fruits. Many times we have grown so many flowers but their color is not so much bright and shining. This liquid fertilizer also helps the flowers to enhance their color. This liquid fertilizer increases the size of fruit and its sweetness also. You must try out this homemade liquid fertilizer in all your flowering and fruiting plants. Now let's see how to make this amazing liquid fertilizer at home. Here I am using some dried onion peels and a plastic container. Put all the onion peels in the container and add about 150 ml of water. It takes about 3 to 4 days to make this liquid fertilizer. Place this container in a shady place. After 3 days. Now the water is converted into a pinkish color, that means it is ready to use. First we have to dilute this liquid fertilizer for our plants. And then we can apply it on our plants for their healthy blooming. For their dilution, use 500 ml of water. Mix well, and now our liquid fertilizer is ready for use. To apply this homemade fertilizer, let the soil of your plants to dry a little. It is very much effective to dig the upper layer of soil, and then add 100 ml of this diluted liquid in the soil. 100 ml of this liquid fertilizer is enough for a 5 to 6 inches of pot. The roots absorbs the nutrients from the soil and your plant grows very fastly. Onion peel liquid fertilizer is very much effective for the roses, and you must add this liquid in the soil of rose plant. And you can also use it any of your flowering plant. This liquid fertilizer must be applied in the evening time when the temperature of the environment is little cooler, so the plant can absorb the nutrients all over the night. This liquid fertilizer shows you amazing results in only 2 to 3 weeks. You can apply this liquid fertilizer in all your plants every 10 days. It contains sulfur, potassium, and zinc. And if you are an experienced gardener, then you must know about the benefits of these nutrients in the plant's growth. This is the whole method of making onion peel liquid fertilizer for all your plants. If you want to know more about the different liquid fertilizers that we can make at home using common ingredients, then you can check some videos in the I button. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notified of all my newly uploaded videos.